Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Today we've got a 2018 Mazda 6. This is a wagon. We're just going to show you how to do the cabin filter. I will try and do it one-handed. Might be a bit of a task, but here is our part number. It's RCA 275P for the Ryco one. And we've got our new filter here. So first things first, it is behind the glove box. We've got our little strut. Just want to pop our strut off this way, and then we just want to squeeze both of our parts of the glove box in, and hopefully pop that down. It does need a bit of a squeeze. Which can be a little bit of a task sometimes, especially one-handed. Pop this receipt out, and here we have the cabin filter. Apologies. So we literally just pop that down, the little tag, slide our filter out. Full of leaves and debris. Pretty standard stuff. We'll grab our new filter. Depending on how many leaves are in there, you may have some fall into the fan, so you might need to put your hand in there and try and grab them out. Or there's another trick where you can, depending on which way the fan blows, this one is actually blowing down, so it probably won't work. Oh no, this one looks like it's blowing up. So we've got an arrow there, tags at the top. You could crank the fan on full and try and blow the fans out of the hole. No, that's a bit confusing. No, that's just saying up. That's not saying airflow. It's definitely flowing down because all the debris was on the top. If it was flowing up, we wouldn't have debris on the top. So we just pop that one back in. Hopefully pop that one back in. Slide that in, push it up firmly. Got our filter installed. Push our glove box on. Should be able to, at this point, hopefully just push it up. Just like that. Pop our strut back on. Push it up a little bit. Locate it. Hopefully. Like that. Check our glove box strut works. Perfect. And it closes. Cool guys, thanks for following me. If it helped you, please consider liking, please consider subscribing. We'll catch you at the next one. Take care.